Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a new batch called as DLCV, Deep Learning Computer Vision Projects with Ops. See guys, whenever we are going to build a project, so it's not just about training a model. It's not just about maybe collecting data. It's not just about deploying a model on any of the given cloud platform, maybe Azure, AWS, or maybe a GCP. But it's also about monitoring its performance. It's also about fine tuning a model. So there are a lot of things, or it's also about scaling your model so that it can serve one user and 1 million user. Depends upon the business use cases. Now, keeping that in a mind, so we have designed this entire batch just for a project, only for a project, right? Where in a practical way, we are going to develop this entire project, and on top of it, so we are going to add a flavor of ops, because ops or cloud is an integrated part of any development. Without that, you will not be able to bring anything inside a production. Now, so here is a thing. So we have a batch DLCB project with ops, and this batch is going to be in English. It is going to start on 24th of Jan. This is going to be a timing on every Friday, 7 p.m. IST to 10 p.m. IST. We are going to take this particular live classes. This class will be taken by Bappy, who is very expert, right? Who is very expert in computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, means a complete data science stack, ML ops, generative AI, all of these things. So he is the one who is going to take your batches. Now, let's talk about a syllabus part. So obviously, we are going to start with the introduction of a MLOps with a deep learning. Then immediately we are going to build a complete pipeline with the help of pre-trained model, which is available on a different repository. Hugging Face is one of the biggest one. So obviously we are going to make use of all of these repository. We are going to build this entire project. Not just that, so we are going to do a lot of engineering with respect to an entire data pipeline, because that is much needed one. So whenever we are talking about a project, and here, so we are going to discuss about building an automated deep learning pipeline. So how you can automate this entire things with the help of a CI/CD pipeline, with the help of a Q flow or ML flow, how you will be able to integrate not just one model but a variety of a model in a particular environment, and then cloud-based training for a deep learning. So how you can try to make use of a GPUs or TPUs, which is available on AWS, GCP, or Azure, or different kind of a cloud platform. And then we are going to talk about a deployment of a model. So what should be a deployment strategy, how you will be able to productionize your model, so when it will go to this go for a scale, it should not give you any kind of a pain. So everything and anything that is expected for a end-to-end project, right? End-to-end project. So everything we have mentioned over here, and yes, everything will be available just in a practical way. Now, if I'll talk about a price of this particular batch, so price is minimal. And if you have Euron Plus, right? If you have Euron Plus, you all will be able to access this particular batch without making any additional payment, because Euron Plus, one student, one subscription plan, simply says that if you have access or if you have a license, just go and avail any kind of self-placed courses, or maybe live courses, maybe projects. So whatever paid offering that you have, without any kind of if and but or conditions, you all will be able to access it. And as of now, we are running a new year offer, so where you will be able to avail these things with the 10% of discount. Again, discount is very minimal, but yeah, so because of this new year, so we are offering a discount. So what you are waiting for, guys? Just go check out, explore, and here inside Euron course tab, you all will be able to find out list of all the courses that we have already launched or that we are going to launch. So with that, thank you so much everyone. See you again in my next video.